In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing in Celia Keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and holding this microphone at the bottom right corner. Then, if you never used it before, click on Allow only while in use. Hold again, and this time start typing. When you're done, you can pause or use space. If you want to delete anything, click on this button with an X. If you want to pick any of those marks, like a question mark, just hold this icon here and slide to the chosen one. If you wish to go back, click on this X at the bottom left corner, or click on this one at the bottom right one, and close your keyboard completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!